If you've ever wondered how to type directly into your DocuSign documents, this video is for you. Stick around and I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can save time and manage your paperwork like a pro. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips. So let's get started. First, open the DocuSign website or app and log in with your account details. Once you're inside, you land on your dashboard. If you're new to DocuSign, I'd recommend exploring the interface for a minute. It's pretty intuitive and knowing your way around will definitely help. Next, head to the agreement section. Here, you can either upload a brand new document or choose an existing one to edit. In this guide, I'll show you using an existing file since that's what most people need when working with contracts or forms. Once you've selected your document, you'll move into the editing screen. On the left-hand side, you'll see a toolbox with different field options. Look for the text field icon, usually marked with a T. Click it, then drag and drop it onto the spot where you want someone to type information. This drag and drop setup is one of the easiest parts of DocuSign. You'll notice the field neatly lines up with the rest of your document, keeping everything looking professional. You can resize the text field, reposition it, or even add multiple fields if your form requires more than one. When you're happy with the layout, give everything a quick review to make sure the fields are lined up correctly. Once that's done, you're all set. Your document is ready to use, and anyone signing can now type directly into the areas you have created. And that's how simple it is to write in DocuSign. This little feature makes your documents more interactive, organized, and professional. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my other tutorials for more DocuSign tips.